Hey folks, hope you're all doing well there. Wanted to hop on with a bit of like a more, I guess, unscripted video and just kind of speaking with you for a couple minutes here for two pieces. One, to say thank you, and two, to ask for a bit of a favor from each and every one of you. So earlier this week, we hit 5,000 subscribers on our channel here, which is so cool to have that have happened. You know, it's right now beginning of July 2022. And our goal for this year, December 31st, 6 months from where we are right now, was to be at 5,000. So to have done that 6 months faster is just so cool. I'm so appreciative for each and every one of you being along on the journey. And I really can't tell you like how much I enjoy just interacting with each and every one of you in the comments on each of the videos, hearing where in the world it is that you're gardening, what's going well, what's not going well, all that good stuff. So thank you so much. The second piece is that I was hoping for a little bit of feedback from each and every one of you. I would absolutely love to know your thoughts on three things. The first one is, what do you love most about our channel? You know, what are the things that you absolutely love about our channel that has you subscribed and enjoying our content? Second piece is, what would you like to see improved on our channel? What can we do a better job at? And then the third piece is, what types of content do you want to see more of over the course of the coming year? So if you're willing to spend just 2 or 3 minutes on those questions and leaving your thoughts down in the comments, it would mean so much to me. And the reason why I'm asking for this and why it means so much is because it is a lot of work putting these videos together. I would say, I've got a bug in my face there. I would say that on average, every video takes about 10 hours from the point of kind of like conceiving the idea to ultimately it arriving on YouTube. I've got to script out the entire talk track and really like succinctly what is the message and the education that I'm hoping to get across in that video. Then I need to line up all of the B-roll shots, the whole B-roll shot list for that video. Then spend a whole kind of like afternoon, evening filming it all, and then late into the evening editing it on the computer, throw some music in, get into the zone, all that good stuff. And then uploading it actually takes a couple of hours as well to make sure that I've got all the right pieces in there in terms of title, thumbnail, description, links, all that good stuff. So it's a good amount of work, but it's such a key piece to what it is that we're looking to do and looking to accomplish. One of our core values as a business that we kind of hold very near and dear is this concept of unconditional value. And for me, what that means is that, like, irrespective of somebody ever buying a product from us, we want to be able to help them ultimately be getting their hands dirty into the garden and experiencing just how good gardening feels, irrespective of whether they ever buy a product from us. And so how do you go about doing that? Well, I think that's why YouTube has resonated so much with me, because we're able to kind of connect with so many of you, kind of share the knowledge that we've accrued over the years and be helping in that manner. And so given that we are investing so much of our time, our energy, our resources into it, I really would absolutely love it. It means so much to me if you spent just those 2 or 3 minutes shedding a little bit of light on, again, what are the things, so the one thing that you love most about our channel, what is the area that you think could be improved on our channel, and then the third piece being, what type of content would you like more of? Would mean the absolute world to me, and I'm really excited to see kind of where things go from here. So that's everything that I want to touch on right now. Again, a huge thank you to each and every one of you for being along on the journey. I can't wait to see where it goes from here. And then if you are willing to spend 2 or 3 minutes just shedding light on your thoughts down in the comments, it would mean the world to me. That's all for right now here, folks. Go get those hands dirty. See you soon.